If your roof has been damaged by a storm or other recent severe weather, filing an insurance claim might feel a bit overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. Today, I'm going to walk you through the basics of how the roof damage claims process works so you can handle it with confidence. If you're in Maryland or Pennsylvania, remember that RoofRight is here to help every step of the way. The first step in the process is to know what your insurance policy covers. Most policies cover sudden damage from things like wind or hail, but not general wear and tear. So be sure to check your policy for those details or talk to your agent if you're unsure. Make sure you document the damage as soon as possible. After a storm, take a safe look at your roof. Use a camera or binoculars from the ground and snap clear photos of anything that is showing damage. These photos are going to be crucial for your claim. Next, it's time to call your insurer. Give them your policy number and the details that you've gathered. Ask them what happens next and when an adjuster will be out to visit. To prevent any more damage to the home, be sure to cover exposed areas or remove debris to avoid further problems. And don't forget to save your receipts. Some of those costs might be able to be reimbursed. When the adjuster does come out, be sure to be there with them. Show them your photos and point out everything again. Their report is a huge part of what determines your payout, so make sure it's thorough. And if your claim is denied, remember that you can always file an appeal. Be sure to watch our video covering denied claims for more information. Once you get the settlement offer, compare it to your repair estimates. And don't be afraid to ask questions or request a second opinion if something feels off. Finally, it's time to start the roofing process. Make sure you hire a licensed contractor that is experienced with insurance claims, like RoofRight. Make sure the work is done right and be sure to keep those receipts for the final paperwork. After all of the repairs are complete, it's time to finalize your claim. Submit all of your documentation to your insurer to finalize the claim. Some policies may hold back a portion of the settlement, known as recoverable depreciation, until proof of completed repairs is provided. Ensure that all paperwork is submitted properly to receive the full settlement amount. At RoofRight, we know that this is a stressful time for any homeowner. So make sure that you maintain all of your records, you understand the deadlines for filing damage claims, you remain in contact with your insurer throughout the entirety of the process, and if you're stumped at any point, seek professional advice. You can always consult with a public adjuster or an attorney that specializes in insurance claims. And there you have it, a quick overview of what to expect when filing a roof damage claim. If you want the full step-by-step guide, be sure to check out our full blog article on our website at roofright.com. That link is in the description below. And again, if you're in Maryland or Pennsylvania, be sure to give RoofRight that call. We've dealt with insurance claims for over 30 years and would be more than happy to help you handle your claim and get your roof back in shape. You can call our offices at 410-374-5923 or visit us online at roofright.com. Stay safe, and thanks for watching.